4-bean salad. So I blanched these beans because I want them to have a little bite. No need to cook at all. This is a very fresh, very crispy salad. I'm going to start my vinaigrette. A heavy tablespoon of yellow mustard, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, about a 1/3 cup of olive oil, a little bit of honey. It's going to be like a sweet and tangy vinaigrette, similar flavor to the barbecue sauce. 2 grated cloves of garlic, salt and pepper. Time to assemble my salad. Going to put in the green beans, red kidney beans. It's so pretty already. White beans, some baby lima beans. I'm just going to give it a little toss before I add in my final ingredients. All right, I'm going to push this to a side. I'm going to add in some green scallions. Cilantro, just to add some of that herby flavor to it as well. Cranberries, I used honey in the vinaigrette, so cranberries just add a little bit of extra sweetness. And a handful of sliced almonds. And just like that, it's done.